Hey guys, look what I found at the Dollar Tree. They were hidden too, buddy, in between a end cap and another end cap that were on top of each other, and you couldn't get down in between them. I apologize, my puppies are gonna bark at me. It's okay, puppies. It's okay. But 3D wreath forms. Check it out. It makes a circle. We're going to put some of these together. I want to see how they do. So I figure we'll put one of these small ones together and one of these big ones together. I'm excited. I found the ones that turn into balls. And I think we can do so much more with these than just make a wreath. I think, you know those balls you see at Christmas time hanging in people's trees or off their porches, and they make them out of chicken wire? Yeah, I think we can make these do that. If you don't have access to chicken wire and you can get these at your Dollar Tree, I think these will work. So let's put them together and just see what they do. Or how they look. Let's see, we gotta have this center. It says place metal fixture over the wreath as below. Okay. Secure the end of the metal fixture by wrapping around the wire. Okay. Okay, it wraps. These wrap around. Okay. Must be a thin metal piece. Repeat 1 and 2 for the rest of the wire and then finish. And then it'll look like this. Okay, let's see what we can do. These open like this. Cool. You guys see that? No, I'm way over here. Let me pull y'all over this way. Okay. I swapped some batteries. See there? Let me turn this light off. Now, see, these will work. I like to make those balls that can hang in your... Isn't that cute? If you had, like I said, if you got enough lights to go around it, it'll work. Yep, it will work. I think that'd be cute. Anyway, I apologize I don't have them finished. But I will try to go to Walmart and get some battery or lights. The ones that can go all the way around it real good. And take some pictures. And I will let you see them that way. Alrighty guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope I done this right. I don't know if I did. It doesn't look as smooth as this. This looks really smooth, and it looks like it's on the outside. But it's together, and it's a ball. So, I think we're done okay. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. Just a short little quick video for you. Okay. We're going to try to put together the big one now. So, I hope I done the small one right, like I said. And hope this one will be right, too. Let's just see if this one comes out any different. So, we've got to get our little metal tabs out here. Okay. See what we got. Well, I don't think that was supposed to happen. Okay, get it back on there. Get these turning. Let's make them look like a ball. Now, like so, we'll start on the bottom first. Now, this one doesn't swing out like that little one. So we're going to have to hold this one. Okay. I'm going to put this on the inside. I just think it's going to be easier to hold. I'm going to do it just like I did the little one. I'm going to fold the small part down first. I just don't understand how it can be so smooth looking in the picture. I just wished I knew. Let's go on the outside of it. Let's just see what for. I'm gonna lay it down there. You can see here it's got a small side and a long side. So. And I'll get it laid out flat again. And that came off again. I'm assuming this ring needs to go above this one, because this one really pushes. So I'm going to try to get these on. Hang on a minute. Because this ring seemed to be bigger than this ring. See if that works. Aha, now it's going to kind of hold out better. Looky there. It's turning on its own. Okay. Alright, let's get this thing laid out here. Each one of these have to lay across the top of that metal. And this one, it's going to be harder. But you got to grab the right one so it'll hold it out right. Alright, I'm going to do the two outer ones first. I'll get these held steady here. And what I mean by the outer, I'm doing the outer ring on both sides first. And then I'm going to take the second ring and get it held. And I'm going to do it across from each other. Okay. Alright, got it. Now I'm going to go with the next ring and get it stabilized. This ring has got to come through this one. Maybe I did. Okay, this ring's got to come here next. Just letting it fall the way it wants to fall. Now, we'll take the last rings right across from each other. Oops, get that up there on it. Now, you see that? Each one's across from each other. Now I'm going to come up here and do this side. You're going to have to push down on it and hold it. We're going to do it the same way. I'm going to find the bottom ring first. And go ahead and get it pinched down there. And we're going to do it across from each other. Alright, go right across here and get the one that it wants to lay across from. You may have to pick up on it to get it to sit still for you. Okay. And you just go right around getting your rings across from each other the way they're supposed to be. It is kind of hard to hang on to it, guys, so because it's wanting to spring every which way. Alright, one right here across from this one. I'm going to go right over here on this side. Grab this. And then the last one. Get it pinched down there. Okay. There's your ball. There it is. That's how you do the big one. And that's the easiest way I can tell you to do it. Is just make sure you do the bottom, the one that's on the outside first. Then go get your next one. And then so on. Just do each one right across from each other. And then you go back and make sure you got everything caught really well. Like this one's not wanting to cooperate here, so I'm going to fix it. There we go. So just make sure you got everything pressed down really good. And that's it. And there's your ball, the big one. So, and then I'll have, like I said, I'm going to go get some lights, guys, and try to get some pictures of them hung up with some lights on them for you. But I just want, right here, I want you to see how to put these together, or how I think you need to put them together. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but it does work. So, I hope that helps. That's what I've got. I mean, it's not perfect, but it works, and it's together. And you can do it from the inside. I'm sure that's a hole here for a reason to go on top of this here, but it's so much easier to lay it on the outside and grab it. So, but it's okay. I've got it. And you may supposed to just do one end, you know, and it'll hold it. Just putting them one on each side. But I guess you can do it however you want to do it. Whatever works for you guys. So you can either put both of these metal things on the end, put one on the outside and one on the inside, or both on the inside. But I went with doing here and here. That way it just hold it from both ends. And you got your round circle. There it is. Okie dokie. Hope it helps and hope you like my video. Thank you, guys.